Hey, it's Maureen with Katy Home Organizer, and it's March, Garage Month, and we are focusing on questions from Ask the Organizer about the garage. And today's question is about getting your car to fit into the garage. The question is, I've got it right here. Hey, Maureen, what's some advice that you can give me on getting my car to fit into the garage? So I'm going to give you two quick answers because there's a lot you can do, but again, I'm focusing on short and sweet. So the two best things you can do to fit your car into the garage is A, put all your stuff into containers. See, everything's in a container for the most part. Pretty much everything is in a container. And B, put it on shelving. So if you don't have things in containers, get some containers and put them in. And if you don't have things on shelving, get some shelving and put your containers on the shelf. That's it for this week's edition of Ask the Organizer, where we're focusing on the garage. If you have any questions that you want me to answer on Ask the Organizer, please send them my way at hello@katyhomeorganizer.com. Have a great day.